Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is how to create application in Salesforce. Salesforce application is logical container for all objects, tabs, process and services associated with a given business function. These are of two types: standard application. App created by Salesforce are called standard app. Standard app cannot be deleted. They can be modified. For example, sales. Custom application. App created by user as per business requirement. Custom app can be modified or deleted as per business requirement. For example, EMS. It consists of a label, a description, and an ordered list of items, which often includes tabs. We can also add custom logo for branding the app. It is on-demand app by grouping items into new custom apps. Steps to create custom app in Classic: setup, build, create, apps, new. Step 1, choose app type, custom app. Step 2, enter app details like app label, app name, description. Step 3, choose logo for app. Step 4, choose the tab. Step 5, select profile for which app should be visible. Step 6, click save. Custom app in Classic. Example: create an application by the name Employee Management System (EMS). Steps to create custom app in Lightning: setup, platform tools, app, app manager, new Lightning app. Step 1, provide app name. Step 2, choose app navigation. Step 3, add utility bar items. Step 4, choose tab. Step 5, choose profile to which app should be visible. Step 6, save and finish. Note: custom application can create by the user whose customized application option is enabled. Custom app in Lightning. Example: create an application by the name Institute Management System (IMS). Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first of all, type login.salesforce.com in the URL of any browser, and then after provide your username salesforce@network.com and provide the password. Click on login button. Sometimes it's asking for verification code. So for that, just log in to your Gmail. Just go for that and see what the verification code is. 90925. Provide 90925 verification code and verify. Check this button, don't ask again. So in this is our classic mode. In classic mode, we are going to see how to create an application. So for that, in the last session, we had created one document folder. Clicking on documents, choose this is our custom folder, payment collection. In payment collection, I am going to put one more image, employee management system like EMS, and externally available image I am checking, putting in payment collection. choosing the file employee management system from our local drive. Here I am putting EMS. Just click on open button, click on save. Here this is coming, this employee management system. So first we have to upload the file, the image file, and just click on setup button, setup, then build, then create, then apps. Then in apps, click new, then choose the select type. Here two things are coming, custom app and console. We are going for custom app. Provide the name employee management system EMS. EMS is coming by default. Then employee management system. Click on next. Insert an image. Click on that. Here see employee. Choose our custom folder. Go for employee management system, what we had uploaded right now. The employee management system is coming over here. Click on next button. Here choose the tab. These all the tabs are available. It's coming over here. If you want to choose the tab, you can go for that. And if you want to make it default, go for default. Only one tab is coming. Means when we are going to click our application, then only home tab is coming. Okay, let's see what's happening. Click on next. Here assign to profiles. In profile, which profile you want to choose, or visible or default. I am going with visible system administrator and clicking on save button. So our employee management system one app is created, where you can see your app what you had created right now. See here it's coming employee management system. This is a custom app, and these apps are coming by default or Salesforce had provided, so you are not able to delete these apps. But custom app can be deleted because this is created by the user as per his or her business requirements. So you can delete this custom app. And where you can see your custom app, just go to the right side and click on drop down. Here all the apps are coming. These all the apps are provided by Salesforce, or these apps are standard apps like sales, service, marketing, and these apps what we had created EMS. This is also coming over here. If you are clicking on EMS, it will come with only home tab because we had chosen there only home. So it's coming over here. The next thing what we are going to do in the same session, I am going to create one more application in Lightning Experience. So for creating application in Lightning Experience, first we have to choose switch to Lightning Experience. This is our Lightning Experience view is coming. Here first we have to click on setup, this gear icon. We have to go with platform tools, then apps, then App Manager, then go for new Lightning app. Just provide the app name. Developer name is coming by default. If you want to put the description, just go for description. I am providing institute management system image. For image, just click on upload. Choose one image. I am providing here image IMS. See, this image is coming. Click on next button. This is navigation. It's asking for navigation, that is standard or console. I am going with standard navigation. Supported from factors desktop and phone. I am going with this. Click on next. Add utility items. I am going with default. Available items. These are available items. I am going to choose only home and select. In the right panel, this home is coming. In the selected items, click on next button. Available profiles. I am going to provide system administrator. Just click on this system administrator, put on right side selected profiles, and finally click on save and finish button. So institute management system is coming over here. See, EMS we had created in classic view and IMS we had created in lightning view. So in this session we had seen how to create apps in Salesforce. Thank you.